Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Accidentally deleting important files from Google Drive and then emptying the trash can be a frightening experience. The good news is that deleted files are not always gone forever. Google provides a few recovery methods. So, here's an updated guide on how to recover permanently deleted files from Google Drive. The first method is to recover from the Google Drive trash, that is within 30 days. This is the most common and easiest method. When you delete a file, it's not permanently erased right away. It's moved to the trash folder. Files remain in your trash for 30 days before they are permanently deleted. Now, this is how to restore files from the trash. Just open Google Drive in your favorite browser or anywhere you have access to it and log into your account with the deleted files. In the left hand menu here, click this trash or bin icon. Right click on the file that you want to restore in here. Just select Restore from the menu. The file will be returned to its original location in your drive and you have access to it again. The second method is to just contact Google Drive support, that is for individual accounts. If you have permanently deleted the files by emptying your trash, your next best option is to contact Google Drive support directly. They may be able to restore the files for you. This is how to contact support for file recovery. Just go to Google Drive help page. In the left sidebar or at the bottom of the page, look for an option like Contact Us or Request File Recovery. Fill out the file recovery form with as much detail as possible, including when you deleted the files. These are some of the important considerations and limitations. You must be the owner of the files. The files must have been permanently deleted within a specific time frame. Google doesn't always specify this, but it's often around 25 days. Google support can only attempt this for individual consumer Google accounts, not for Google Workspace accounts. The third method is to use the Google Workspace admin console, that is for business or school accounts. If you have a Google Workspace account through your company or school, you have a more reliable method for recovering permanently deleted files. The administrator of your account can restore files of any user. Now, this is how an administrator can restore files. Just sign in to the Google Admin Console. Now go to the menu and then click on a directory and then press on users. Find the user whose files need to be restored. Click more options and then restore data. Select a date range that is within the last 25 days of the permanent deletion and choose Drive as the application. Once you have that done, click Restore. The files will be restored to the user's Drive folder in the same location they were in before they were permanently deleted. Now this is what to do if the above methods fails. The files are likely unrecoverable from Google's servers. In this scenario, a third-party data recovery tool may be an option if the files were ever synced to a local computer. Example for these third-party tools is Spin Backup or Size Cloud. These tools can scan your hard drive for remnants of the deleted files that have not yet been overwritten, and you'll be done. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.